Man, we are on site. Y'all see this house, man. What you waiting on? Learning how to create your own inventory, man, that's the play. As much as we inspire people, our students inspire us. Like when we show y'all the inside of this house, bro, it's gonna be it. It's gonna be it.
Yeah, this house is amazing. Like, just exactly what Gene said. Inspiration not only comes from us being able to, educate and inspire them, but when they create something as beautiful as what you're about to see, you can't do nothing but get inspired. Whether you're a peer or a professor, like you gotta get inspired by what these guys are doing, right?
Yeah, man, we out here in McDonough, Georgia, a couple acres of land, from the ground up. We about to take y'all inside and give y'all an exclusive first look. So if you want a house, you need a house in McDonough, this might be your next house. So come join us on this property tour, but let's get into it. See, I like when you come in, you don't have just that straight shot driveway, man. The driveway even got some character to it, man. It come in and it wind around to your 2-car garage. Love the color scheme, because it fits this area perfectly. It's not like your regular
In town.
Yeah, in town or modern farmhouse. It's got a lot of character to it, man.
It did some great materials on the outside. With the stone and the natural color wood. Even the pine straw adds to the charisma of this house. We walk up to the front. They wrap the entire foyer, outside foyer, with the same wood type siding. And capped it off with these 8-foot metal doors.
And it's real cedar wood, man. So if you like being out, like in the country and nature, like when you walk into your house, you smelling that cedar. You smell cedar, real cedar.
Smell like a jewelry box.
So it's a few things going on as soon as you walk inside. Of course, you got the 2-story foyer that you see instantly when you come in. And this foyer gonna have LED lights going around it, and then it's gonna be like a dope chandelier. So immediately when you walk in and you look up, the floors are nice. When you look up, it's like, wow, look at this foyer. You got, your large doors, your 8-feet doors, and this is gonna be an office. But the cool thing about this office, man, you got a black door with see-through glass. The matching ceiling fan, and it's in front of the house. Plenty of natural light that come in. So kudos to them for just getting it right. Like one really important thing to a home is having good flow and good functionality. So having this office with great little touch as you walk in. And one of the other things I love about this house, because all the other bathrooms, they're gonna really have more of a modern, soft, minimalistic, warm feel to it, but they changed it up in this half bathroom, bro. So you got wallpaper. Anytime you having like different colors that bounce off each other and texture, that's dope. So that bathroom right there is hitting hard. Once they add the light in the mirror, man, that is gonna be dope. I'm gonna let KP tell y'all about the kitchen.
Come on over here, let me show you what's going on in this kitchen. When I first walked in here earlier today, being that this is my first time seeing the granite they chose and the backsplash, I just thought they did an amazing job, because they didn't only waterfall the actual island, but they used the same granite as a backsplash material. And that's not often done, especially at this price point. So I think these guys did an exceptional job. And I believe they're gonna get every dollar that they invested in this house back, plus some. And the type of cabinets they use is a single flat panel style of cabinet, but it's more of a light wood tone type finish on that cabinet. And it blends perfectly with this type of granite. They did put a huge island in here that it's gonna encompass the actual microwave. So you don't have to put anything on top of any of these granite countertops, because your microwave is tucked in. You have a huge pantry over here with some built-in, drop that fridge there, the range, of course the dishwasher, and this farmhouse sink. So I think they did a great job. And the little touches that matter are things like this. These custom shelves made out of the same material that these cabinets are.
This is another really cool feature that I love about this house. And this is something that you don't see in a lot of houses, man, but it's this window that opens. So you open it up, I'm not gonna open it, but you slide it open. So like if you're having a barbecue and y'all grilling, y'all cooking, you can just pass food through this window. So that's a dope little feature, man. These little things matter when you're selling houses. So start to incorporate stuff people haven't seen in like these little details. Just like that little wine bar. So they built it out of the same panels as the cabinet. It's a nice little touch. Very nice little touch.
You showed them, you want to show them that master, because this house is actually like four bedroom, 4 bath, but they have a master suite on the main, primary suite on the main that is like amazing. So let's take a look in here. For vintage, this is the huge master that's on the main. You got, again, the 8 twin doors that go out onto the patio and into the rear of the house in the backyard. You have another 3D fireplace right here, just like the one in the living room. And behind me, it's a beautiful bath. Let's take a look here. This is a job, you know, it's still in progress. And some of these doors are hung. Okay, so just check it out.
Yeah, that's dope, man. This whole room is all that natural light, but this tile, this nice. Yeah. Imagine you done worked all day, you tired, you come home, in this tub. Got a soaking tub right here, huge shower. I love the tile selection, and I definitely love, you know, the finishes they went with the plumbing trim.
Yeah.
Definitely a great job. And being that it's a master on the main, you already know you're gonna have a nice closet. Big walk-in closet, any of shelving. You know, you got your drawers here. This adds a lot of extra value to the home. So you putting them wire racks and a couple shelves up, do the custom closets. They don't cost that much more, but I guarantee your buyer gonna appreciate it for sure.
So, how does it feel? I know we touched on this briefly outside. How does it feel looking at this project, knowing that this is a student's first time building? Like, from the ground up, first time students built this.
For us, it feels great because we know what our project used to look like when we started building houses. So for somebody to come learn how to do this out the gate on their first one, just imagine what the second, third, and fifth look like. It's like anything else in life. It takes time to get good at something, but when you tap into the right resources and you can be, you know, solid out the gate, the sky's the limit. So y'all tell me, how do y'all feel about the property? Say first project, you know, leave a comment. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe if y'all like this type of content, because we're gonna be documenting new construction projects from the ground up, ours and our students. But y'all leave a comment, tell me, y'all give us some feedback. What y'all think about it?
Let us know what y'all think. Again, guys, we appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I am KP the Builder. There's my partner, Gino J, the Construction King, and we build buildings.